So, you want to get certified in cybersecurity? I will help you every step of the way. Welcome back. In our business continuity planning series, we've developed a comprehensive plan. Now we arrive at two crucial ongoing processes: testing and updating your business continuity plan. These steps are vital to ensure your plan remains effective and relevant. Why is testing your BCP so crucial? Regular testing helps you identify weaknesses and gaps in your plan before a real crisis occurs. It validates your recovery strategies, improves the confidence of your teams, familiarizes personnel with their roles, can be a requirement for regulatory compliance, and ultimately helps reduce your overall business risk. There are various types of BCP testing exercises you can conduct, each with its own objectives and level of complexity. These include discussion-based tabletop exercises, process-focused walkthroughs and simulations, technical functional testing, comprehensive full-scale drills, and often a combination of these in hybrid testing approaches. Tabletop exercises are discussion-based scenarios where key personnel walk through their roles and responsibilities in response to a hypothetical disruption. They are low-cost, collaborative, and excellent for identifying initial issues and raising awareness. Simulations and walkthroughs involve a more detailed step-by-step execution of specific recovery procedures. This helps in identifying gaps in the process, refining the steps, providing practical application of the plan, and focusing on specific areas of recovery. Functional testing focuses on validating the technical aspects of your recovery capabilities. This includes testing data recovery processes, application failover mechanisms, the availability of necessary technical resources, and the performance of recovery systems. Full-scale drills aim to replicate a real-world disruption as closely as possible. This involves mobilizing the full recovery teams, operating in a realistic environment, deploying resources, and adhering to defined time constraints. These are the most comprehensive tests. Your business continuity plan is not a static document. It needs regular updates. Changes in your business operations, the evolution of your technology infrastructure, shifts in the threat landscape, lessons learned from testing, and new regulatory requirements all necessitate plan updates to maintain its relevance and effectiveness. Establishing a BCP maintenance schedule is essential. This should include periodic reviews, at least an annual comprehensive review, trigger-based updates following significant business or technology changes, a formal change management process for plan modifications, proper documentation control, and input from key stakeholders. Ultimately, the goal of both testing and updating your BCP is continuous improvement. By identifying areas for refinement through testing and incorporating necessary changes through updates, you can continuously enhance your organization's resilience, adopt a proactive approach to potential disruptions, ensure adaptability, and maintain an ongoing process of preparedness. And that's the end of this video. Next, we will discuss presenting your information to leadership. For more valuable content, come visit our website, securetechacademy.com. Sign up for our newsletter and explore our premium courses on Udemy, designed with you in mind, using the latest technology to be more engaging at a lower price. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.